Hello YouTube, this is Crazy Callister with another video with you today. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego candy machine. I know I did a Lego candy machine before, but I'll just call this Lego Candy Machine 2. So, Lego Candy Machine 2 of them. Anyway, here it is. Now let's get started. Okay. So here's the candy machine, like that. Here's a 360 view. Okay. Now check this out. You put a penny in. You put it there. You push it in. That thing pops out. You pull it out. And there's staples, but please pretend that's candy. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that out and push back in. Okay, now for another try. I got a penny. I didn't just take it out. Let's put it in there. Push it in. And then take this. Now, there's the actual candy. The reason why I put staples for one instead of candy is because I only don't have one piece of candy left because I ate them all. Okay, so here's how to reload. Push this part down, pull it out, and you'll see right there, there's a little thing. I'll put it this way. Just for the staples. I'll put that there because I'm not really lucky on putting the staples into the hole. So let's put the candy in there, top it off, and just go like that, and let's put it back up. Now here's how to get the money back. Take your key, which is this thing. Oops. Just that thing, and just there's 3 holes right there. Stick it in like any hole. That. And just pull it out. There's your money. Okay. Like that. And then here's the mechanism on how to do it. First you just gotta get all the stuff out. Just like do that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the mechanism. This is what happens inside my machine. Yeah, like this way. Here's the motion of the tray. So it goes, pull this out. This part stops at this part, that part right there. And the tray's down there, so coins can fall down there. Okay, now let me do something real quick. Okay, so here's how it works. Put the candy in, and then what happens is put a coin in right there on the ramp, so it goes down its slot, and then that thing pops out, and then you just pull it out, but you can't pull it out all the way. Oh, there's another one right there, but there's a wall. I'll show you in a second. Okay. I'm just going to tell you there's a wall right there. So there's another one right here. So I'm just going to push it back, and here's what happens. That happens. Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, so
I'll do that later.
Rate, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and tell me in the comments, how should I edit my videos? Okay, bye.